An SAP system contains three layers: front end, application server, and database server. Together, it forms what we call a three-tier client-server model. In some smaller size SAP installation, application server and database server might be combined and located in one physical server, but conceptually, it is still a three-tier client-server model. In each tier, we install different types of software which performs their own functions. In the front end, usually the client software SAP GUI is installed for user interface to the backend components. When I say usually, it means user can also access the SAP system via a web interface, and thus an SAP GUI software is not required. SAP GUI comes with different versions and patch levels, and the patching work is done via update from the SAP support portal. The application server is the processing engine of the entire SAP system. It contains the SAP kernel. Kernel programs are the SAP core processes, which is required for all technical tasks, such as start up and shut down a system, processing all incoming requests from SAP GUI, reading data from the database, write back the data to the database. We can have more than one application server in an SAP system. Different operating systems for each application server is also okay. For example, you can have one Linux app server and another Windows server. Different software will be required in this case. In the database server, the DBMS software are installed, such as Oracle, SQL, or HANA. The database server also hosts the database. In the database, all the SAP programs and customer-owned development objects are stored. For example, all the SAP application programs written in ABAP, or table definitions, screens, print form, etc. SAP named these components repositories. The database also stores all the business data, which is all your master data, such as the chart of accounts, customer masters, vendor masters, and also all transaction data, such as sales order, purchase order, accounting documents. Let's summarize. In this lecture, we have learned that SAP runs on a three-tier system architecture. Front-end contains the SAP GUI software. Application server contains the SAP kernel. And database server contains the DBMS, the repositories, and the business data. As a system administrator, our responsibilities are to ensure that all these software components are being managed properly.